Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay pi baro kinigilonggi khubor bamda kasni. Ka BJP Meghalaya kasni palay kala theryu nongyalam kaseng Congress usam Pitroda halor ka jingkan tho palatpur persya agi pat ba jangkathan syati lamingi jangkari. Unong aiktin ka BJP uba M Kharkrang ula ong kalong ka bakendit ka balet ran ba ka jingkran ben jang usam Pitroda ki basyang basa akathan syati lamingi ngilam ba kalong ka egi ka babakla bar ka basngojlem ba don ki briu ki babat ya ka kerdan kilalet syadu upod ban ong ba kadur kadar ka jongi kalong kum ki China. Kala penmong ya ka jing sngau jingman kinong India ba deban pendam jur ting ya ka ne. Habang ikut mau ya kalau kau pergi ke Brio Usniu, Brio ubam dan jingadai Asia, bat ketun rai macam, unong hikai bat unong aibud jang Rahul Gandhi. Ini hikapen kajing syat kala bat kajing pek mat jang kaseng Kongres ya baru kinong India. Balai uwei unha pan shen kajing ai jengmut na uwei pan, ubalalong ubari ubam dan kajing buram kinong India, bat ikador jang kinong India ulabu jingkali. Uloong bakaseng Kongres kariban kermau bakisngi bapin ya pat ya pra. Omba ka politik kabala lam kmat ka kinhun ka basngomeng bat sarong kalakut no barkani kaseng menta kariban map no madon na baro kinong India.
Uncle Sam! Down. Uncle Sam! Down. Uncle Sam! Down. Congress! Down. Congress!
Down.
We are not Chinese.
We are not Chinese!
Please come to
We are not Chinese.
No, we'll not call him Uncle Sam.
Uncle Sam is American. Uncle Sam is American.
Down! Congress! Down! Congress! Down! Congress! We are not Chinese!
Yes, we are not
We are Indian.
We are Indian!
We are not Chinese.
We are not Chinese!
We
Chinese
are
are not Chinese!
We are not Chinese.
We are Indian.
We are Indian, yes.
We condemn.
Congress!
We condemn the racist statement by.
Congress.
We condemn the racist statement given by.
Sampitroda.
Down.
Congress.
Down.
Congress.
We are Indian. We are not
Chinese.
We are not
Chinese.
We are not
Chinese.
We are not
Chinese.
We condemn.
Congress.
We condemn.
Congress.
We condemn.
Congress.
We condemn.
Congress.
Asi lumlang hangne po BJP office men pendram jor ya kajing kran jong Sam Petroda upo penia sremingi ki Brio North East but ki Chinese ngi ko an pen kan mau yu ba ngim dei ki Chinese ngi dei ki Indians but ngin long Indian by blood hado bakut de kajing kran kajungu kalong very racist but ngi condemn ya kan kajing kran jungu but kalong ba pla bu de Brio bala nang la start la de we mo champang tandre apa poi kum gini ki ke da klam su thu kum nu ta ya ka feelings but ka jing snow gujungi Gibrian na po North East man pania sremingi but Gibrian na po China.
Ang UE part nagle jo Congress.
The thing is menta is a senior functionary jong ka Congress menta kai bu kran mu umla bu siong ba kare ka personal ya ka ba ukran ka ba pisu ha pinong bu shimi ka official line ra pim su ha de pi ong no ba ka de ka personal yu jung ka ta ka siong ka Congress party ban clarify ka ta ngim dan nging simba uday functionary jong Congress but kay Ukraine ru Ukraine on behalf of the party to clarify. Okay, we take him as to be an advisor of Rahul Gandhi. That's for the Congress to clarify. Okay. Anyway, I would like to share with you that we from the BJP state BJP we are approaching the Chief Minister officially in writing that government should consider to bring Kong Ida Shisha Nongrang as a new DGP of the state. And in fact, we had wanted to meet the Chief Minister a couple of days back, but since he was out of station, so we will be able to meet him only on Monday. And we will also hand over to the Chief Minister an official letter requesting the government to consider to bring Ida Shisha Nongrang as a new DGP of the state. And we have various reasons why she'll be the best person to lead the police force of Meghalaya.
Thank you.